Hello everyone, my name is Shahjahan. Welcome to the podcast. Today we are going to dive into the world of accounting and finance, where we are looking upon the inciting careers and what are the other queries the other accounting students or the other who are having interest in accounting. So, I'm going to solve these queries today. So, we do have the students here.
Hello everyone, I am Abhinav. My question is, ma'am, I am from a background of, I have work experience of school administration. I used to handle administrative tasks like maintaining of customer relationships, maintaining supplies and collection of fees, etc. etc. I was not into core accounting that time. I want to change my career path into core accounting. Is that possible now?
It is possible. You can go with that. We are having many certified courses. Like you can start from the basic accounting, that you can take business accounts as your course that is available in the market. Whereas you can go for the accounting softwares, like we are having Tally, we are having Zoho, Focus, SAP. Then you can move to the taxation part, like GST, direct taxes we are having. Again, you can go with the other application things, business computer applications, like these certifications you can do, and you can move to that one. This will be a best start for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Asta Adatya, and my question is, if someone has and science background in intermediate, so afterwards what difficulties would they face and how they can cope up with that?
If they wants to take any,
They want to change their
yeah, there is no difficulty, they won't face any difficulty. If they start from the basic, they have to learn some courses. Likewise, just now I have said accounting is a base for the accounting students, commerce students. So they won't face any difficulty. The thing is to work hard, as they came up with a different background into this one. Accounting is not that difficult. It is very interesting one. When you learn it, then you'll understand each and everything is the concepts and that are related to the entries which will record in accounts.
Hi ma'am, I'm Anuradha. As a BCom student, graduated student, I know what are the opportunities in commerce background, but so many people outside the behind science or science background, they don't know what are the opportunities and they will think there is only limited opportunities. Can you tell any of your opinion?
Yeah, in accounting, if you are an accounting student or you are in a commerce field, there are many roles will be there in accounts. That's the reason many of the students who did their BTech and who are from BSc background or other thing, they are switching to this accounting field. So many things will get. You can start as an accounts executive. You can go for the financial reporting or analysis courses, and you can go for the job with it. We do have many roles. We do have much scope you can have if you are going with accounts. Even it can be a BSc or BTech student. There's few skills they need to learn, the accounting basis, and what are the things that needed in job. Only this thing, and then after that they can move.
And ma'am, as a commerce student, when I took commerce in intermediate and in BCom, I faced so many questions like why you took accounting. It is an boring subject, no? What is the suggestion you will give to those people?
So accounting, it seems like boring, like we are calculating numbers or something. It will be, but it looks like boring, but it is not one. It is very interesting when you step into there. You know what are the things, how logically the things we are using. We are having many things to learn, like taxation we do have, and how we are filing the returns in taxes. We are having the finance of scope for that. Then other thing is in accounts, even you can go for the other things, like let me tell you about cash flow statements, fund flows. It's very interesting, it's very vast. We do have much diversity in accounts, I would like to say. It seems like boring, but it's not usually.
Ma'am, another question is, we have multinational companies these days following accounting rules of different countries. We have to learn all the rules of all the countries to get a job in different companies, or they are almost similar. And that at least one we learn, we will be able to work on other accounting standards as well.
We do have similar accounting standards, like you have IFRS. international financial reporting system. If you learn that, it will be used for each and every organization in any country. So accounting, it's not something where we are only making our own concepts. In accounting, you might be learning the accounting concepts which each and every business has to follow in a particular country. So there will be similar concepts. If you learn that, you can work in any kind of company, not only Indian but also fine MNCs, we can say.
Okay, so if someone, as I said, if it's from intermediate to advanced science, so what are the in degree what they can do?
They can go for BCom, bachelor's in commerce, like journal they can take regular. They can go for BCom taxation. We are having BCom computers, and again we are having um, BCom BA analytics. BCom in analytics we do have. So if you are very interested in IT, that also will provide you. You can go for BBA, and then in BBA again you have to choose the specializations like finance, HR, IT, then marketing. So there is a scope for them. They can go for any course. It's something just you have to learn the basic thing in accounts. To start anything in accounts, basic is very important. It act as a strong foundation for you.
Ma'am, as we know, there are so many professional courses like CA, CMA, ACCA, but they acquire too much of cost and time taking, no? So, students who are discontinued or who are not able to do those professional courses, is there any alternative courses for them?
Yeah, do we do have, like just now you told about the valuable certifications. Apart from that, we are having some other certifications, that is certified industrial accounting courses. So it will be a package, like where you are going to learn taxation, where you are going to learn your accounting softwares, and again like SAP and Tally, I would say here. Then we are having other computer application skills, like in that MS Office, you are having advanced Excel, which are very important to work in your job career as well. So if you go for ACCA, CA, CFA, CPA, CMA, these are very costly. Few people will find it as costly, and it is time taking. And many of the students, they are not, they don't want to. They have to work hard there. So apart from these, they can go for other courses, which I have told you now. You might be getting in the market. So these are also very good. With your graduation or with your degrees, like it can be any bachelor's or master degree, you can go with these courses. It will be helpful for you guys.
I want to extend her question, ma'am. Like apart from CA, CS, other like professional courses, can we earn that much with this course you mentioned just now?
Um,
Is it any scope?
it will, yes, you can, but it will take time for you guys. Like if anyone is going, if they are not taking any this ACCA, CA, or CPA or whatever you said just now, so they'll get a salary, good enough salary they'll get, how much they are getting. But at the starting their package will be differ. Now then the person just who know some skills, and when they are going for the job, their package will be less. At that time, you must gain some experience. You should know what are the market trends we are having. You should be in networking, okay? And whatever the you have to reconcile yourself. Then you have to upgrade according to the market. After getting some kind of experience, definitely you can. Many of the students, they are also getting good, they are also working good. I too have many students now, they are in different position. So yes, we can.
As you said, many bachelor degree courses, and from the science background, when the student is coming into that, they are taking the degree courses. So they find it difficult because their friends have known the accounting basics and all that, but they don't know. So they think that they are lacking. So they're getting demotivated and depressed. So how will you motivate them?
So I just want to tell them, who are from science background, who switch to this commerce in their graduation. So the simple thing is, whatever the course you take, either it is in intermediate or it is a degree or it is an MBA. So it will be whoever they might be teaching. So they'll start from the basic itself. For them, I just want to suggest to take accounting course, financial accounting or business accounting course. So it might be helping them. They can complete within 2 months or 3 months. So they'll get the complete basic knowledge about accounting, which they have faced in intermediate.
Ma'am, here there are so many commerce students and accounting students, but they know only the theoretical knowledge they have, but they don't know about the practical knowledge and how to use their knowledge in accounting. So, what is the uses of practical knowledge?
As you ask, how practical knowledge is very important apart from theory. So I feel theoretical knowledge is also important. It gives you like what are the concepts you are having, how accounting is, and what are the ways, what are the methods which will follow in accounts or commerce. Whereas practical knowledge is something, it is an implementation of that concepts. If you are learning some concept, then where we are going to implement it. So whenever you are going for any kind of job, so practical knowledge is very important, because there you have to perform, there you have to implement the task. So if you're learning just theoretical, then you are just getting 20%. If you learn practical as well, then you are learning like 100%. So it will be very helpful for your job purpose. When you're going for jobs, with a good package, you'll get the salaries.
Okay, ma'am, apart from this job hunting and job seeking, is there any scope for entrepreneurship with accounting skills?
Yeah, definitely you do have. There you'll get to learn, okay, how to start a business, and what is a capital, how much capital you can invest, or how much your revenue should be, what are your expenses should be. Then taxation, like if you have GST in your business, if turnover is has been exceeds, then when you have to do, who has to do the registration.
Like, can I freelance my services if I have accounting skills like taxation and all? Can I freelance my
Yeah,
services to businesses?
definitely you can, because many of my students, they learn these skills under me. Then now they are trainers in a good companies, we can say, or institutes, we can say. So you can go for multiple things if you learn practical knowledge or skills about any accounting course.
So after degree, there are many job seekers. So what are the job roles in market?
Job roles in market, if we can say in accounts, you are having accounts executive, you can start as an accountant, tax analyst, financial analyst. As a fresher, you can go. So, tax consultant in US taxation or Indian taxation, in any CA firm, you might be getting the jobs.
As we know, the accounting plays a major role in industries, na ma'am. So, how it affects the industries accounting?
Accounting affects every industry, and each and every industry needs accounts. Likewise, we can take an example of finance, insurance, medical, and government. So if there are some changes in any kind of taxes, like the tax rates has been increased or decreased, so accounting is only helpful to calculate what are the profits or loss a company or an industry is getting. So if there are any kind of changes in accounts, definitely it gonna affect the industries as well.
And while doing or preparing financial statements, all those statements, what are the difficulties we will face, ma'am?
Usually, you'll face reconciling incorrect journal entries if you're passing, and regularly, if you're not reconciling your accounts, like bank reconciliation we have, and tax for taxes, filing returns. Okay, so these are the things which are very important and carefully you have to go with. If you reconcile all these kinds of things, then easily it will be very easy for a fresher or any kind of experienced guy.
What if maybe the fraud or misrepresentation will be happen without knowingly or unknowingly? How you can take a stand?
So this just now what you said about fraud or misrepresentation in any company as an employee, if happens, if someone has done, how we are going to face it. It is an ethical problem. So ethical problem, we have to resolve this in a tactical manner. First, you should know who has done it. What is the reason? Is it certain or uncertain? And calmly you have to take the decisions. You should be tactical at that time. You should be ready for such kind of situations. Then afterwards, it will be very easy for you to resolve. Always work in a team and work hard, then you'll get it.
What are the qualities should a accounting students or a commerce student should have?
So, an accounting student must have these skills, like they should know accounting softwares, accounting knowledge, business accounting, or financial accounting. They should know about finalization of accounts like cash flow statements, fund flow statements. They should know balance sheets. These are very important for them. Then they are having like banking, auditing things, BRS. Then we are having both inventory management, how to manage the inventory, accounts receivable, accounts payable. These are the skills which are very mandatory for a student or an aspirant who wants to go for the job.
Ma'am, these days we are listening that technology is replacing human beings and many jobs are in dangers. Like that danger we have in accounting field also, is it possible that in future we will have less jobs because of technology, and can AI replace accountants?
No, AI can't replace because AI works only upon those things in accounting. How much data you are entering, how much data you have entered in that technology or that particular software. So if you are giving some five programs, it can work on only five programs of accounts. If you have just given the data till trial to make trial balance, it won't go for the balance sheet because it doesn't know the format itself. So definitely, any company they need human resource. Yes, AI, artificial intelligence, we can it can replace human resource, I can say, but not AI will replace human resource. With AI knowledge, they'll replace the other persons. So always you should be upgraded with the tech things which we are using in your field as an accountant or financial analyst or tax consultant.
Ma'am, as a fresher, so they are giving first time interviews. So how they can prepare for the interview?
So regularly they have to give mock interviews. Mock interviews they have to attend. They should be confident. They should prepare. Their communication is very important. They must and should have this soft skills in them. Whenever you are going for a job, like you have to communicate properly. Communication is a method where we are expressing what is the knowledge one is having. So be confident. Just know the concepts, go with the JD, what it is, what are the things which are given in it, know about the firm, and then easily you can crack it.
What are the suggestions can you give for job seekers and commerce students?
One and the only advice I want to give to the students, job seekers, or commerce students is stay upgraded, know what is the technology is there in the market, learn skills, whatever the pressure you are getting in your work, handle it in a soft tactical manner. Then you should be in a network. Always you have to reconcile the things, and you have to learn or you have to study the old traditional methods of accounts, also the modern methods. So this is the way where you can easily sustain. Thank you all for watching our video. I hope all your questions, queries related to accounting and finance has been cleared. If you have any further queries relating to finance and accounting taxation, you can comment below. We'll come up with a new further search of same kind. Thank you all. Stay tuned.